All right, want to welcome everybody to our update call today. Thanks for joining us. And of course, we are interpreting today in 10 different languages. So feel free if you want to change the language, just click on the translation link there on Zoom, and you can choose the language of your choice. Great to have everyone with us. We have just finished our Pacesetter event in Dubai, and it was absolutely incredible. And so let's go ahead and kick off the webinar today with a quick highlight video of that event. And we're excited because we're going to be announcing our very first international conference as well after these videos. So you definitely don't want to miss the very first international global event for Daisy. I believe that we'll have 10,000 members at that event. And we're excited to see everybody and announce that today. So take a look at the event that just finished in Dubai with all of the Pacesetters. We had an amazing time with some amazing announcements. So let's take a look at this quick highlight video. It's really cool seeing that video all over again and just having the memories of the weekend coming back. And we really had an incredible time. Edward, it was, I in all of my years in this industry, I've never seen a group of leaders, of top leaders coming together in this short amount of time. In just 6 months, the caliber of leaders that are in Daisy that are pace setters. It blew my mind. The energy was like nothing I've ever experienced. So I know you guys feel the same way, but wow, what an amazing weekend.
Jeremy, the people, some of the leaders that we never seen before, but we seen them on the Zooms. I didn't even felt like I never saw them. We were hugging and like, it was so pleasant to see everybody. I was so happy, excited. But remember when Dr. Anna came in and you guys hugged and everything. And then later after we had some conversation, she was like, wait, is this our first time? We met first time in live, right? Where you and her, that was so interesting.
Yeah, it's incredible. I mean, when you know, we've made history together already as a community, and you know, it's an amazing story, really, that during COVID and when people could not travel and all of this, we achieved a big result. And this is the first time most people were meeting in Daisy. And Ilya, how many different countries did we have there?
We had 36 countries. So basically out of 250 people, we had people from 36 countries.
36 different countries.
Yeah, which is a very good number. Yes, it's a very good number for a limited number of people, right? It's impressive.
Yeah,
we've seen people from all over the world.
And a lot of announcements were made, and we're going to go over those announcements today. So you're definitely in for a treat. We're going to make sure everyone is up to speed on the information. One of the highlights of the event, kind of the closing highlight of the event, on Saturday night, we had a beautiful banquet dinner for all of the leaders outdoors underneath the Burj Khalifa. And at the end of that dinner, Daisy and Endotech were featured on the Burj Khalifa with an incredible video that we're going to play for you right now. And guys, let's get this video out. I think that, you know, everyone, you should be sharing this on social media. Make sure your team has seen this video, because it's an incredible achievement that in this short amount of a time, Daisy's already being seen by the world, and to be featured on the tallest building in the world in one of the wealthiest business cities in the world is an amazing accomplishment and achievement for every one of you as a community. So we're very proud of this. You should be also. And this video was shared in the Telegram group. It's also now posted on the YouTube channel, and we're going to go ahead and play it here today as well, so you can see what the world saw Saturday night on the Burj Khalifa Tower. So hang on just a moment while we go back to screen share. Here we go.
Aklım yitirmiş, divane miyim? Aşk.
Accessing mainframe.
Initiating Daisy AI protocol.
System error. System rebooting. Power sequence starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Initiating Daisy Global Network.
The future is created by ideas whose time has come.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
And by those who believe that nothing is impossible. We are all born to do what has never been done. The journey of possibilities has no end. Only new frontiers. Only new frontiers. Blockchain, DeFi, NFT, AI. DAISY, Decentralized AI System, is the new frontier for financial technology and a new era of decentralized crowdfunding. Profits, equity, income. DAISY, where limitless ideas and courageous people unite to change their world for good.
I love seeing that video all over again, and just gives me goosebumps, makes the hairs on my arms stand up. So incredible. And next time, our next event, we got some even bigger surprises in store, and it's going to be incredible. So, Edward, Ilya, why don't you guys jump in and share a few words? Ilya, I believe it looks like this has been being recorded from the beginning. So
Yeah.
I got your message in your phone call.
Yeah. Jeremy, can you also assign Spanish language again, because there was some technical issue?
Okay.
They're asking. Yeah, there is no Spanish. No. Okay, thank you. I'm absolutely excited. So we've been like 8 days, 9 days myself in Dubai. I'm still, my voice is still not recovered after all these events and, preparations and everything. So it was very amazing, really. So I've been on many events in my life, but Jeremy, like you say, I never felt this level of energy. So people who came to Dubai are really amazing people, and we had many private conversations. So, and we are so happy to meet these people, because we never, with 90% of the people, we never met offline, right? So it was a very good chance to establish personal relationship with many of them. So I'm extremely excited, and I feel that now it's time to take DAISY to the next level. And Jeremy, we are preparing something for the next year, much bigger, right, for everybody, not just for paysetters. And I look forward. I feel like it's going to happen. Maybe I feel that the time goes so fast. It's going to happen like in few days. This is how I feel. Really, we just need to prepare, take it to next level, and I will be personally very happy to come back to Dubai. And I know Edward, you and Jeremy, we looking forward for the next event.
Yes, we already meeting with a place where we're gonna do, with people who's gonna arrange everything for us. So we already started preparing for the next event.
Yep. Which let's go ahead and keep moving forward, because that does bring us to our next slide. And that is that on the 26th and the 27th of March, 2022, we will have the very first DAISY International Convention right back here in Dubai at the Coca-Cola Arena in Dubai. And this is right in the City Walk area, one of the newest, most beautiful parts of Dubai. And it's just going to be an amazing event. We really believe that we will have over 10,000 DAISY members from around the world attending this event, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. So you don't want to miss it. Again, March 26th and 27th, put those dates on your calendar. It's going to be an incredible weekend together, and we're going to really continue to see things go to the next level. So guys, this weekend we made some incredible, exciting announcements, and we want to make sure everyone knows those announcements and understands those announcements, so that you can take your DAISY business to the next level. So let's start with the first announcement today, and that is a powerful relationship with DAISY and CoinZoom. And this really solves a big issue inside of the DAISY community, because right now there's no one way for someone to join DAISY. They have to, depending on what country they're in, they have to purchase digital currency different ways. They have to convert to Tron or to USDT. using different platforms, and then they have to send it to their Tron wallet. And it's a process that we're excited to have one platform that gives every member what they need and a whole lot more. So let's talk about some of the benefits that you get as a Daisy member when you set up your free CoinZoom account. First of all, CoinZoom is available in over 150 countries. And I think it's closer to 200 countries around the world that CoinZoom is able to serve. CoinZoom is a perfect platform for onboarding new Daisy members, first of all. So one of the biggest benefits of CoinZoom is when new people are joining Daisy, this is going to make the process so simple for them to get their Tron, get their USDT, and get everything set up. But there's a lot of benefits for existing members and future members as well. One of the biggest benefits in the CoinZoom platform is it's a great platform for you to hold your Daisy rewards. And so as you're earning rewards in Daisy, in USDT, you can send that USDT from your TronLink wallet to your CoinZoom platform. And there's a lot of benefits for doing that. Anyone can buy Tron and can buy Tron USDT with a debit card or a bank account from anywhere in the world. And so now instead of having to, if someone has to maybe buy Bitcoin, then they have to sell the Bitcoin to get the USDT and go through a lot of different steps. We've now removed all of that, and everything lives in one platform. And you can literally buy your Tron and your USDT with a debit card or a bank account from anywhere in the world. This feature will go live hopefully this week, where you will be able to link any Visa debit card, and you can send and spend your digital currency. And so this is powerful because it's instant, and it allows you to actually use your digital currency with any Visa debit card. You could even use a prepaid Visa debit card if you don't have a Visa card with your bank. Someone could literally go out, get a prepaid debit card, and you can use that card to spend your digital currency. When you use your Visa card through CoinZoom, you can earn up to 5% cash back every time you swipe or withdraw funds to your Visa card with CoinZoom. And so very, very powerful opportunity to actually earn rewards when you're using your Visa card and your cryptocurrency on that Visa card. Just for holding your digital currency. And this is one of the things that I'm so excited about, because there are many platforms out there that allow you to earn interest by holding, but many times it's not user friendly if you don't understand how to use those platforms, how to use the DeFi space with liquidity, and it can be rather difficult for a new person. But with CoinZoom, you literally just click a button. And for example, let's say you're holding your USDT, or let's say you're holding your Bitcoin or your Ethereum or whatever, any major cryptocurrency. You can earn interest just by holding those tokens in your CoinZoom wallet. And this is so exciting for our community because, of course, we earn our rewards in USDT. And so now you can send that USDT to your CoinZoom wallet, click on the earn button, and you can earn, like on USDT, for example, 10% a year interest just for holding USDT, and of course, all the other major currencies as well. You can instantly transfer to any other CoinZoom member anywhere in the world with no fees. So anytime there's a situation, say, man, I'm going to send you, whatever, 100 USDT or a Bitcoin, You can even register your family and friends. They can use the same referral link or your referral link and set up their own CoinZoom account. And this is just a really good platform for transferring funds from one person to another, similar to other platforms out there that do this with fiat. Now you can do it with fiat as well as with cryptocurrency and with no fees. Whenever you send funds from one CoinZoom member to another CoinZoom member, there are no fees for that. You can also convert your cryptocurrency to fiat, and you can send it to your bank account or your debit card. And so anytime you say, okay, I want to get my cryptocurrency, I want to cash it out, I want to put it on my debit card, my bank card, or you want to put it into your bank account, you can do that with a click of a button on the CoinZoom platform. And again, this works with banks and debit cards anywhere in the world. This is a global platform. When a new person sets up their CoinZoom account through the Daisy link, the moment you have $100 worth of any currency in your CoinZoom account, maybe you buy USDT, maybe you send some Bitcoin to your CoinZoom wallet, whatever it is, the moment you have at least $100 of balance on your CoinZoom account, CoinZoom is also going to give you $10 worth of free CoinZoom tokens. So that's a great bonus just for getting set up with CoinZoom. CoinZoom, of course, supports all major currencies. And it's just a great platform and a great exchange. And so you can go directly to your Daisy back office, and you'll see at the top of the, as you log in at the top of the page, you'll see this Daisy CoinZoom link. You can click on that link. You can see all of the benefits there on that platform, and then you can register and set up your new account. You can also refer that link to other members or other friends or family members. They can be in Daisy. They don't have to be in Daisy, right? So this is not just for Daisy members, but you can share this CoinZoom platform with anyone, and it is live. And already we've had a lot of people registering for this in the last couple of days, and we want every single Daisy member to take advantage of this CoinZoom platform. And here's why this is really, really powerful. We are announcing today officially a new spillover maker monthly bonus pool. This will be a monthly bonus pool that any member can qualify for, and you can qualify for this every single month. It's an ongoing promotion or an ongoing bonus pool. 10% of all of the platform fees from the exchange, CoinZoom is going to send them into the smart contract for this bonus pool. So every single member who's using CoinZoom, the transaction fees and the normal exchange fees that we all are paying on every platform in the world, 10% of those fees are going to go back to the Daisy community and be paid out to the spillover makers who qualify for that pool each month. Additionally, 10 cents on every Visa card swipe. So every time someone swipes their Visa card, or every time someone transfers money to their Visa card in order to use their cryptocurrency to make a purchase, funds will go into this bonus pool. In order to qualify for the bonus pool, same as our previous promotion, refer 4 people to Daisy. Sorry about the misspelling of Daisy there. Refer 4 people to Daisy in any calendar month with a total of 1,000 USDT in contributions, and you earn a share in next month's bonus pool. So for example, if in October you refer 4 people and you have a total of 1,000 USDT in personal referral contributions, you earn a share in next month's bonus pool, which will include all of the fees, rewards from CoinZoom. You can earn an unlimited number of shares, and you can qualify every single month. And so Ilya, Edward, I'm going to throw it to you guys because we had such a big excitement around the spillover maker bonus pool. And now this gives us a chance to have a permanent bonus pool for the entire community. I think this is going to be a big momentum builder for everyone.
Yeah, Jeremy, absolutely. We've seen what we achieved in our community in the previous months, right, with spillover maker pool. So now it's going to be permanent starting from October. So it's going to be quite powerful. So now for everybody is a chance to make a portion of the CoinZoom earnings actually, right? So if you only refer 4 people, and of course it's unlimited number of shares, right? So if you refer 8 people, it's 2 shares, etc., etc. So this is something that many leaders ask for, and it's based on the real ecosystem of one of the top exchanges in the world. So we are very proud to bring this on board.
Yeah, and CoinZoom is a very really solid, platform. I've been using it over a year. Loved it. I used it from the day one when they started. So have a great experience. And putting this bonus on it, we were able to put this together. It's amazing. It's just gives another, push for especially people who doesn't have a lot of people to bring and reach spillover. They can, not spill over the higher ranks, right? It's like building with the bricks, just you do step by step, every month you can make those.
It helps to basically become pace setter, right? So if people really target to become pace setter, so they start, they start using this promotion. So there's like a bricks for higher ranks in the system.
Yeah, I think we have so much to go over, and we're already 30 minutes into it. So
yes, let's move forward. Yes, because we only have 30 minutes left. Right.
Awesome. So we've also announced a new free version of the Daisy app that includes getting started steps. So one of the biggest concerns that we've seen is how do I teach someone how to set up their TronLink wallet? How do I teach them how to buy USDT or Tron token? And we have turned this now into a free system. When a person is joining Daisy, simply have them download the Daisy app. When they download the Daisy app, they can click on the getting started section of the app, and it's going to take them step by step through the process. Do you want to use your phone or computer? And it talks to them about the wallet to download, takes them through the video of how to download the wallet and set it up the right way. It shows them how to use the CoinZoom account so that they can get USDT and Tron. All of that is in there. There's even a full back office video that shows them how to use their back office. All of this is now in the Daisy app, and there's a free version of the app for every single person who is joining Daisy that allows them to have a step-by-step process on how to get started with Daisy. Of course, the full version of the app also allows you to send out the marketing videos and presentations. We've added some new resources to this. For example, the rewards plan video is now live in the Daisy app, and this is in the full version of the Daisy app. For those that are sharing Daisy, this is a great tool to use. And when you're using this app, the free app is for all members, and it helps them get started. The full version of the marketing app is now only $12.95 a month. And so that's a discount from the original price, and $3 from every app will go into the spillover maker bonus pool. So as people are using the marketing app and they're sharing Daisy with the world, the profits on that app go back into the spillover maker pool. The other $10 goes to the app development company for running and operating the app. And the $3 that is considered to be profits goes into the spillover maker bonus pool. So again, as we promote the system, we're also building the spillover maker bonus pool. And if you haven't downloaded that app, please do so today. Go to your app store and download the Daisy app. And I think the biggest announcement of all that we made is the Daisy Forex announcement. This is exciting, and it's going live on October the 12th. This is going to allow for active daily trading, which offers short-term results compared to the current cryptocurrency trading platform or model. We have a promo pack that we'll be talking about in this slide. The promo pack will allow every single member in Daisy, any member in Daisy, and I'm telling you, you want every single person to purchase tiers 1 through 5 of Forex in the month of October. Why? Because when you purchase tier 5 in the Forex packages, you are going to unlock in the matrix tiers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's right, 3,100 USDT for tiers 1 through 5, and you will permanently be placed into all 10 tiers of the matrix, and that includes cryptocurrency and that includes Forex. The combo pack allows the promo pack allows members to join and get rewards. Am I on the wrong slide here? Yep, maybe. Okay. And then on November 1st, we're announcing a promo package as well. So the promo pack, October 12th to November 1st, is the promo pack. So when you buy tiers 1 through 5, you're going to unlock tiers 6 through 10. When you purchase tiers 1 through 4, you will be placed into the next matrix for life. So for example, if someone purchases tier 1 of the promo pack, they will unlock tier 2 matrix for life. If they purchase tier 4 of the promo pack, they unlock tier 5 for life. But when you purchase tier 5 of the promo pack between October 12th and November 1st, you unlock tiers 6 through 10 in the matrix for life. And I'm telling you guys, this is the biggest promotion we've ever seen in Daisy. For 3,100 USDT, you will be in the tiers 1 through 10 matrix for the rest of your life in Daisy. This is a huge gift to the community, and every single member in Daisy should take advantage of this Forex promo pack. When you're promoted to the bonus tiers, it includes cryptocurrency and Forex, and the rewards plan for all of the promo packs in October will pay out on November 1st. So from October 12th to November 1st, the biggest promotion that we've ever had. Not only do you get to experience the rewards of the Forex AI system that Dr. Anna is going to talk about today, but you also unlock all the way through tier 10 in the matrix. And then on November 1st, all of the promo packs that were purchased throughout your entire matrix network will pay out on November 1st. It's going to be an incredible bonus for so many of our members. And then the actual Forex trading will begin the first week of November, November 1st, or within a few days of November 1st, the actual Forex trading will go live. You must have at least tier 1 in Daisy to be able to purchase the promo pack. So if somebody is not in Daisy right now, they can join Daisy, purchase tier 1 in Daisy or any tiers in Daisy, and they will be able to purchase this Forex promo pack. And we also have a combo pack that we will be announcing on November 1st, where new members and existing members can purchase one package and actually have Forex and cryptocurrency benefits at the same time. So November 1st, we launch our combo pack, which allows members to purchase one tier and have and contribute to the cryptocurrency trading and contribute to the Forex trading and be able to experience rewards from both of those. In order to buy the combo pack, you'll need to have equal tiers of crypto and Forex. We'll talk more about this on November 1st. And of course, new members will also have access to those combo packs as well. Again, that combo pack launches on November 1st. So we will update and give you all of the details on how that combo package is going to work. Right now, you want to focus on getting everybody ready for the promotion pack in Forex. Buy tier 5 and you unlock all the way through tier 10. And the final announcement before we go over to Dr. Anna today is the Pace Setter Reset that is going to go till the end of October until November 1st. Any member can qualify for Pace Setter Gold by November 1st. So if you have not yet qualified, if you missed your 30 days, this is your opportunity to achieve Pace Setter Gold. You must, of course, have 24 personal referrals with 128,000 in contributions. And here's the exciting part of this promotion. If you have 24 personals who contribute to the promotion pack, tiers 1 through 5, so 24 personals who do tier 5 of the Forex package, you will be allowed to count all of your pre-existing contributions, all of your pre-existing members and their contributions. You will be able to count that towards the 128,000. This is so powerful, guys. If you help 24 personals purchase the tier 5 promo pack, then you can count all of the pre-existing contributions towards Pace Setter Gold. And again, you have the entire month of October from now all the way until November 1st to get this done. This is a massive opportunity for every member to be a part of the Pace Setter bonus pool, be a part of all of the exciting things that the Pace Setters get to experience in the rewards plan, but also that they get to experience as leaders in Daisy, having direct communication and being plugged into the founders and the leaders and being a part of the core leadership team of the Daisy community. So we hope every one of you will go out this month and achieve Pace Setter Gold and take full advantage of this promotion. And so, guys, you know, the excitement of the hour is absolutely the Forex trading. The fact that we get to launch this, the very first Endotech AI trading opportunity inside of Forex, and we get to crowdfund this. This is incredible. Dr. Anna was the highlight of the event, and we're so excited that she's here with us today to talk about the Forex trading, to share some exciting announcements about Endotech and Daisy. So Dr. Anna, thank you for being with us, and we will turn the call over to you.
Yes, thank you so much. I also have my voice a little bit down because of the trip. It was an amazing event for me. I participated since early age in different conferences and events, but this one was very special because the energy and the people that participated, they gave me so much inspiration on just the human element that it was very, very special. And I was so happy to see people in person that I saw over the Zoom. That again, everybody, I learned this letter D for Daisy and for Dubai. So I guess it's our letter now. What I want to do right now is to have a short talk about the main 4 points that we touched during the presentation. And I will show you what will be the follow-up. So we start, I will try to do the share screen. Yeah. Okay. So we started with overview of what happened to Endotech over the last 8 months. And basically the story is that we exploded with every available metrics on the market, with revenues, with clients, with number of clients, with trading volume, with money under management. And as I mentioned, next month, August, was even more impressive. And now we're moving to September. That is impressive as well. And hopefully October, that is the month of the announcement, we will also get the nice surprise. But what we realized, that the reason for such metrics, and specifically the internal metrics in the company, that clients are so happy with the results, and is that we introduced the new category of the investments. We introduced the category of breakthrough financial opportunity. And we define it as financial opportunity that is a life-changing event for the individual. To define it, we said that regular investment of 20% create over 10 years the income of 3x over the initial income. And while it's nice for the savings, it's definitely not something that brings you to the different level of finances. So we are aiming to create the new type of investments, again called breakthrough financial opportunity, that handles risk, return, and profitability differently, and that gives you at the end the 402x over the initial investment. Just again, if you run and you have the numbers and you think about the possible risk capital that you can put into Daisy, or if you can put it into any other alternative investment, you will understand that this increase is definitely should bring you the new feeling about your finances and new type of wealth into your situation. And we defined the story for this new opportunity that while investing your risk capital, let's say $1,000, in 10 years, you will receive 400,000, and this is again a life-changing opportunity. Again, keep in mind that we're talking about high risk, high return, and while we have high probability, it's not a riskless investment, and again, it should be approached only with risk capital. This story will come out next week in the special video that I prepared that will talk about all the details. It's not for today's call. Today's call, I want to focus on the Forex side. Forex side is, Forex side is our story to get to the new traditional market that will provide us flexibility and comfort of not being only in the young market. Even that this market right now is huge. We have over 220 million of accounts, and there is definitely in this market, there's lots of space to move and to grow. But we want to have stability, again, in the comfort of traditional markets. The second reason is the liquidity and scalability. Again, we are not limited here by anything. And for us as a company that already reached certain status and reached certain growth, we are aiming also to get into the Forex as well. And what's important for us is also diversification into different time frames to allow investors to feel the comfort of the shorter time frames. And I will show you right now what we're talking about, and to the multiple currencies, because right now we're talking about very few in the cryptocurrency side, just because of the size of the market. So at the moment, our offering is standing in the definition of the breakthrough financial opportunity. We're a little bit short, but while I came back, I already was nicely surprised by the team that the numbers are already higher for the current strategies. And again, the main story is that while in crypto we had a limited offering and the limited diversification into the trend strategies for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 10 altcoins with 4-hour time frame for decision making. Here in Forex, we're talking about from 5 minutes to 1 day of the time frame. We're using both trend and swing, because swing is one of the main vehicles for the traditional market. And of course, we're talking about major currency, fiat currencies that we are trading on. So this provides us both the diversification into much wider offering, and also diversification into the performance results that now will not should not look as 20% up and down within the short few weeks. So this is our second story, the Forex. And we are, again, very excited and doing a lot of work in order to offer the Forex. And the final announcement is our audit with Ernst & Young. And as you know, we were waiting for it for a long time. We were waiting for it since January. And finally, it's on the way. We are now audited in real time for our trading results. I will read to you the exact language that is allowed for us to share with investors. Again, the exact document will be shared with the leaders on demand. EY blockchain audit team has performed specific procedures to confirm the trading and results for the period in the document, and more detail is in it. We can also say that Ernst & Young is advising us on various matters as well. So again, finally, we got into real-time audit for our trading results. We're extremely excited about this because we are the first company that got to this stage of being in crypto, in blockchain, and being audited for our trading. So I think this is one of the biggest announcements for both Endotech and for Daisy. So again, next week you will see the video with more detailed definition for breakthrough financial opportunity. I think it's a big step for our community to kind of understand what we're trying to market to our clients, to our participants, to our contributors. And the second part, again, the Forex, will get much more details on the offering, much more details on the results. We will stream it in our weekly videos. And again, I'm extremely happy to see the community after I saw the faces, after I discussed different topics with our contributors. It was extremely nice to meet finally Jeremy and Ilya in person, because I felt like I met them before. I was not aware that it was only through the Zoom, because we spoke so many times. But it's extremely, it was an excellent and really, joyful event, I think, with lots of energy. And I was feeling grateful and privileged to be in it. So thank you, guys.
Yeah, awesome, Dr. Annette. Thank you. And I mean, Edward, this is exciting because you've been in the trading space for, well over 20 years now. And, two things. One is the fact that Ernst & Young, we are the first and only, Endotech is the first and only, the Daisy Fund is the first and only cryptocurrency platform and that they've ever done an audit for, ever. And this is big because they were willing to embrace, because of the story, because of the background of Dr. Anna Becker, because of the incredible results that we've created, they agreed and have completed that audit, and they will continue to audit us on a regular basis. And that's a big statement to the world, just the fact that they're willing to do that. But now with the introduction of Forex to the community, this is incredible because we know that in the digital currency strategies, it's a breakout strategy. So there may be weeks, there may be months in between those breakouts, in between those big moves, and members may not see the big results. You may have some losses and then the big results, and it takes longer. And we know human nature. People want to be able to see shorter term results. They want to be able to see some daily and weekly activity going on. They want to be able to see, wow, on a short term basis, my rewards are growing, right? And this is going to be a huge excitement for the world to be able to now offer a combination of active Forex trading on a daily basis, combined with the long-term trading strategies in the cryptocurrency space. So Edward, I know this is something you've been waiting for, we've all been waiting for, but you really know more than anyone how big of a deal this is.
Well, we knew we have it. We knew it's been done. We were just not allowed to announce it, right? We could not figure out how to do it because it took a while for them to sign up. But you know, I wanna say to everyone who's watching right now live here, I see there's almost 2,000 people. All the pace setter, all the leaders, everyone who was with us from the day one, just go back in your mind, go back to January 2021. And just remember that time, how you felt when everything was going on and when we just began and we stopped, your thoughts, right? And then go back to this last weekend, just what we had. This is for leaders and pace setters who's been, and you've seen how much Daisy went from where we came. Today we have Ernst & Young audit done that we could announce it. There's so much more going on we cannot still talk about, right? I think it's way more exciting part. Forex trading, coin Zoom, all those things. And it's only been actually 6 months from March 29th, right? That's when we relaunched. That's when we officially actually launched. And think about the next 6 months. If Daisy, if you guys, you were the leaders, pace setters, if you were able to do in the last 6 months from March 29th till this event, it's just like a compound effect in trading. Now you could do so much more. Now you have so much more leverage. Believe we saw all each other, right? Everybody saw Dr. Anna. A lot of people come up to me and said, "Hey, can I do a video call with Dr. Anna or something like?" To show my people that she's real, because they don't believe she's real, right? Dr. Anna, you know, right? There was one big leader. Anyway, in the next 6 months, guys, we can all be more confident, solid, go forward and 10x what we did in the last 6 months. And we'll see you here back in Dubai. It's going to be exactly 1 year anniversary of our relaunch. This is amazing. I'm just so impressed with the people that I met here in Dubai, with the people from Germany, from Japan. I haven't seen my Japan leaders for so long. When they came, they were hugging and crying, and like, because we haven't seen almost for 2 years because of this COVID situation. But there were some people that I fell in love with. They were so strong and committed. And they were healed. Some of them came and they were not sure. I had a guy from Germany come up to me and said, "I wasn't sure about Daisy, but now," it's like, anyway, guys, I'm going to pass it to Ilya. I'm just so excited about this.
Yes, I feel, yeah, Edward, I feel your excitement. Basically, we just met 5 minutes before the call started, right? So we keep talking in a very excited way to each other, like from morning till night, right? Because we have meeting after meeting. Guys, what we can tell you is we had some guests from traditional business, right? From financial background, from crypto space, some big figures in the space, right? So they came here, they flew to Dubai, especially to see us. They know we are real, and we are preparing a lot of news and updates in the next few weeks and few months, right? So we're going to announce a lot of partnerships with companies, projects, blockchains that you will be surprised to hear those names doing partnership with Daisy. And we didn't touch on DCO, right, Jeremy, on this call, on DCO platform. We had some announcements. So we are listed on MXC exchange, right? So now you guys can move your Daisy tokens from Tron into Ethereum blockchain, which is powerful, right? So many people have been waiting for this. And plus, we are now officially partners with NIA blockchain. So we're going to touch on this on our next call, because we plan to do next call specifically for DCO platform, right? We have so much happening on a daily basis. And it's like Edward says, it keeps compounding and compounding. So we're getting bigger and bigger. And from now, it's actually a real start. So I personally, I'm extremely happy. I'm flying back to Thailand tomorrow, where I'm based, where I live, and I will continue all my daily activities, of course, with leaders, with all these partnerships and stuff. And I'm super excited and super happy that we had this event, and that we'll continue to do events. And by the way, not only we plan to do big global event end of March, but we also plan to do some local events, right? So we, Jeremy, myself, Edward, some other guys like maybe Alex, we will be traveling from country to country. It will all depend, of course, on the COVID conditions, right? But we do have this goal to visit the countries where Daisy presence is the biggest, right? So we're talking about countries like, let's say, Japan, Vietnam, Germany, France, right? So depending on the COVID situation, of course. So maybe it's too early to say, but we have this in the pipeline, and we're really looking forward to, to meeting everybody in person in those countries.
Absolutely. Daisy is the company where everybody wins with profits, equity, and income. You know, in a day and age where so many projects start and stop and end, right? They start and end so fast. I mean, within months, sometimes they start and end. Many people thought that Daisy would be just another one of those projects that we would start and we would end. And even though we had some big challenges, we are here to stay. And we've said it over and over again that we are just beginning. We are just beginning with Daisy. And Edward, I love what you said about compound momentum, that, you know, just like when you compound your investments and you allow momentum to create more momentum, this is the principle of leadership. This is the principle of momentum in the peer-to-peer industry. When you can plant yourself with one project, and that project is long-term, that project delivers on its promises, that project continues to bring new opportunities to you and your team, you can accomplish so much more by planting yourself with one project like Daisy than you could ever accomplish going from one project to another project to another project. And that's our dream at Daisy, to build a long-term, multi-billion-dollar project community where we continue to grow together exponentially, where every 6 months we look back and say, wow, do you remember 6 months ago when we only had 150,000 members? That's what we're going to say in March. At the March event, with 10,000 of us in the room, we're going to look back and say, do you remember in September when we only had 150,000 members? And we're going to look back at today's moment and think, wow, look how far we have come as a community. We're going to look back and say, do you remember when the rewards were only at 50, 60, 80, 90%? We're going to look back at that story, and we're going to know that we accomplished bigger things together. And so thank you, Dr. Anna, for being with us here today. Thank you, every single one of you, for believing in Daisy, for being a part of this movement. We are getting ready to see this whole thing go to another level. The Forex package is where the fire is at this month. You want to absolutely focus on helping every single person get to tier 5 in the promo pack, because by doing tier 5, I want you to think about this, for 3,100 USDT, tier 5, you unlock all the way through tier 10. That's the same benefit for members who contribute 102,000 USDT to tier 10. You unlock tier 10 and you maximize the rewards plan for life. This is a massive opportunity, a massive promotion, and we hope that every single member in Daisy will take advantage of this next story with the Daisy Forex. So guys, thank you everybody for being with us. We have recorded this in all of the languages. They will be updated on YouTube as well. And let's make sure that every member of the community gets this recording on playback. They get up to speed on all of the announcements, and let's go continue to do great things together. God bless everybody. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.